When launching your practice questions in Archer Review, you've got a few options. First, start off with tutorial mode. This is where you're going to see the answer rationale right after you submit your own answer. For an extra challenge, you can try timed mode, where you're given a specified amount of time. Once you're ready to really challenge yourself, choose a readiness assessment. This is a mock 85 question NCLEX. Our software is going to pull those most appropriate questions from your unused Qbank. As long as you have unused questions, you can launch unlimited readiness assessments. This is what gives you that score of low, borderline, high, or very high to let you know if you're ready for that NCLEX. For your last challenge, choose a CAT test. This is a computer adaptive exam where the computer will give you a harder question when you get something right and an easier question when you get something wrong. If you meet that passing threshold, it'll give you a pass result, and if you're unable to do so, you'll see a fail result, just like the NCLEX. These are the 3 different ways that you can launch your practice tests in Archer Review.